Let's assume I obtained the username for an account. Now I will find and select the sign-in request from the HTTP history tab and then send it to Intruder. Since I already know the username, I will only check the position for the password field. Next, I will load the list of payloads, our dataset, which includes various SQL injection strings as well as password I guessed. After that, I will click Start a task and wait for the results. On the screen, you can see the result table with several columns: request, payload, starter code, response, and length. To determine which requests were successful, we will first look at the starter code. If a request has starter code 200, this means the server has returned a successful response, indicating that the requests were processed. However, a starter code 200 does not guarantee a successful login. To confirm the result, we can use the following phrase method to analyze the outcome. The first method is compare the length. The second one is check response content. And the last one is direct testing on the website. To compare the length, we'll contrast the response that has starter code 200 with the that has starter code 302, which is a redirect response. As you can see, the length of the response with a 200 starter code is significantly greater than the with 302. This indicates that the successful response contains much more information than the failed or redirect ones. Now, we'll move to the second method, checking the response content. Clicking on it routes in the result table, we can see the detail of the request and response in the tabs below. The request tabs show the data that Intruder sent to the server. The response tabs contain the data that the server returned to us. Now, let's look at the specific response. You can see the title User Info. This information indicates that the response contains the data of the successful login user. This proves our task worked. As we've seen, the response of the starter code 200 returned user information. Now we will proceed to verify what kind of information a redirect response return. It returns the message, "You must log in." Look at the request tab to see the exact payload that was sent to the server and result in an unsuccessful login. Now we will proceed with the third method, direct testing on the website. I'll try entering one of the payloads with a starter code 200 that we found. It's a SQL injection string. As you can see, the website allowed a successful login using this string. This confirms that the website has a serious SQL injection vulnerability. Next, I will try with another payload named test, which also returns a starter code 200. This is a password I guessed. It's also logged in successfully. So, Intruder not only helps us automatically find the correct password, but also discover injection vulnerability.